Okay, we're gonna demonstrate on how to properly perform a push-up. So doing a push-up is a commonly performed exercise that a lot of us do at the home in the gym, but it is actually extraordinarily commonly done incorrectly. So let's review the proper form and technique on how to do it. So Greg, let's review the incorrect way to do a push-up first. So we got the push-ups, and we're not referring to where the push-up bars are because we can manipulate it wider to get more chest, more narrow to get more triceps and shoulders. But let's more talk about the position of his shoulders and his body with respect to the push-up bars. So again, the incorrect way to do it, we want the plank first, right, which is correct. We want the core tight, the butt way up in the air. What people commonly do is they have the shoulders too far back behind the arms. So let's come up and down a couple times and show the incorrect way to do it. Okay, it's easier this way, much easier you'll find. Okay, come all the way up. Let's show the correct way to do it. So now what we're gonna do is just creep the body forward, right there, good. Keeping the butt way up in the air. Now we're coming up and down with the shoulders right over those push-up bars. We engage much more chest. Okay, so this is much harder and it is the correct way to engage all the pec tissue. Good.